Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to network. I'm your host, Spiega Makeleni, and I'm with Spiega Matwane.
Yebo,
Spiega Matwane.
Makeleni.
Let's talk about this guy here.
Yes.
Bruce Vuma. Kaizer Chiefs has renewed his contract. We all don't know why they renewed his contract. We are wondering ourselves because of this is his 10th season, and he has played 82 games.
Yes.
And he has conceded 92 goals. Last time when he played with Orlando Pirates, he conceded 3 goals.
Last season.
So I'm asking myself, what is it that Chiefs is seeing on this boy? Because of, he uqale with development with Chiefs from 2013-2014. Then he started playing under 23 2016, between 2016 and 2017. So what's your take? Does Chiefs like players who are disciplined but they don't bring results? And players like Abu Sereno, they said he had a bit of a short term and stuff like that. But him, they didn't renew his contract. But and when it comes to game time, the ball will always, when the Bafas Bafam second half, and he will always prove himself. So what's your take regarding this one?
No, Shoba Fetu, thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to keep on subscribing to our channel. Before I answer the question, the iPhone is still up for grabs. So you stand a chance to win an iPhone 14 Pro. Just subscribe. Also like this video and comment now on Sereno or Bruce Vuma. Who do you think should have been renewed? So Sereno, on the basis of he's an infield player, his contribution is vital because you need to understand that he's an infield player. He plays number 10. For example, Tembazwan, when you're a goalkeeper, you are 36, you are still young as a goalkeeper. You can find a goalkeeper playing until 40, 41, 42, 44, 45 sometimes, if he's good and the shape of his body is good. But as an infield player, it's very difficult. For example, we look at Cristiano Ronaldo. The position that he's playing is a position where he must score goals. We don't care whether you are 41 or you are what. The team depends on you to score goals, you understand? So if you don't score goals, drag players. Bruce Vuma, let's go to Bruce Vuma as we spoke about Bruce Vuma. Bruce Vuma comes from the development A1. So bayamaza abo Kaizer Junior, nabo Kemiso, nabo Jessica. As you are saying that maybe he's disciplined. Because there's no way that you can renew that guy's contract on the basis of how he's playing. Because if you are looking at his 82 games and 92 goals that he has conceded, that means he concedes a goal each and every day. Okay, on a clean sheet, but Maga consider 2-3 to compensate on the clean sheets that he kept.
He considered 10 more goals
than he played. So that's a bad record for a goalkeeper. So, and for a team like Kaizer Chiefs, that is a record that you can have for a team like Magezi, a team like Marumo Gallants, but not Kaizer Chiefs. If you are playing for Kaizer Chiefs, if you played 50 games, at least you're supposed to have considered 20 to 25 goals. Half. You understand? Because you are Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper. So, the only time where I was impressed with the boy is during the CAF, where he carried the team in the semi-finals. He carried the team. I don't know what happened to these Kaizer Chiefs boys after that CAF, because they were never the same. No Bruce Vuma, he's down. So, Baba has a chance. We can't say that he was not given a chance.
A lot.
We can't say that he was not given a chance.
Playing for now, being your 10th season, so meaning him playing for 9 seasons, been given, how many chances did he get?
He gets a chance.
Got a lot of chances.
There's a time where they tried to put him as number 1. Brendan Peterson, they put him in as number 2.
I remember.
He could not handle that position. He could not handle that being number 2. He could not handle that being number 1 for that period of time. Up until Babuisu Brendan Peterson. Brendan Peterson came in with mistakes. He came in with blunders, but he recovered because Umzuki, the former goalkeeper coach, you could see that guy was trying. He tried, the passion. That's why he improved Brendan Peterson.
Definitely. So meaning Brendan Peters, Bruce Vuma, he had more goalkeeper coaches than Brendan Peterson.
He had more opportunities than Brendan Peterson.
Then Brendan Peterson improved way times better, and you can't say inking Lokus, ama goalkeeper coaches because of Brendan Peterson. Brendan Peterson, pega ngo Lokuza ukuthi how he improved. Uvuma was supposed to have improved long time ago. If not, if Mabateba improve about too with this best Lokuza, this best coach, goalkeeper coach, he was supposed to improve more than Brendan Peterson.
Right now they have another new goalkeeper coach who has a UEFA Pro license that we were checking.
Yeah.
We're doing our research. UEFA Pro license. Coach Mendy, who was a goalkeeper coach of Mendy, was Chelsea goalkeeper, who's a goalkeeper in Saudi Arabia, Al Hilal, I think. Now we want to see if he's going to change, because if it doesn't change now after 10 seasons, we can't blame anyone else. We have to blame him and say, my guy, okay, bamnikeza 1 year extension. Maybe they want to bring Takalani Mazamba gangan. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. But my guy, 10 seasons in
10
a team.
seasons.
But this guy, whether we like it or not, he's a club legend.
He is.
Our junior Kanye, they didn't play for 10 seasons.
They didn't.
My guy, it's very few guys. I think even Bernard Parker did not play when he was about to get to his 10 seasons. That's where things faded. There are very few players who played for 10 seasons.
Kuna probably, maybe.
Akuna because ufika into. But this guy, by the rate ngakhona, this guy of Mbeli Sundowns, who was a Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper, Brendan, not Peterson, Brendan, the other
Brendan.
Yeah, Peterson, the other Peterson of Mbeli Sundowns, who has been winning, who has been winning leagues, win a league in the Chiefs, number 2, Gukune. Wawina league in the Sundowns, wawina in the Champions League. That guy is working from home. So even Bruce Vuma is working from home. That guy, that man is a lucky guy.
He is.
He's a lucky guy, my guy.
Definitely.
How do you survive in a team that has so much pressure for 10 seasons and you are there?
I wonder if you were to retire, will he be asking for being a goalkeeper coach and stuff like that? So the question is, if Chiefs were to accept him as a goalkeeper coach, what kind of a goalkeeper coach is he going to be? Because of my man, you must be a legend in order for you to be a goalkeeper coach.
But what if he's going to be a good goalkeeper coach? Maybe he does not know how to do it, but he can explain it. Maybe he does not know how to do it, but maybe he doesn't know how to dive. But of course, we explain how to dive. You must put your foot forward. But we don't know. But in terms of goalkeeper, no.
It's bad. I thought he was going to retire or then maybe a team was on board or so. My
guy, he's not going to leave Kaizer Chiefs. When if you are put in the position of being a goalkeeper of Kaizer, can you just walk out? They have to say no. We are not
renewing.
Yeah, and maybe for my point, because mase khuluma ngama contract, maybe makaphuma ku development. Bamnikeze 60,000 bathi khanuphuma bayikhuphula kancane bathi age bayikhuphula bathi 90 mhlambe ne agent yakhe whatever they offer they agree. They are not saying no, give us more. They agree whatever. That's why Chiefs is happy to give them whatever. Maybe khona manje they said listen, ubonile ukuthi your season was not, you were poor, futhi siyayehlisa nge20 so kubuyisela ku 85,000 athi sharp ku grand. So we don't know what are those negotiations.
But half loaf is better than full loaf.
Exactly. Maybe that's what he said. Half loaf is better than nothing. I'm told. So that's what we can say so far about him. But you can give us your opinion, Buffett. What do you think should happen? Buffett to Bruce Vuma. I like him. I've also met him several times, but for Kaizer Chiefs, I think Bamnikeza an opportunity are more than enough. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
And get yourself an opportunity
to win.
like Bryce Vuma and win yourself an iPhone.
Exactly. And give us your comment.
Yeah.
This is Kaizer Chiefs. Love and peace.
Love and peace.